ibhodlela el-empty, you call it vials. Nanti ibhodlela el-empty. Thatha lento uyifake la. You understand? Faka la lento. Thatha isivalo uthi kanje, yabo? Yabo? Musu qha sekuyavaleka. And uma uqeda lapho sekuyine label enje nakhe manje ke. Sekune label enje nakhe. You understand? Now you got a label, you got everything. Baba dokotela ngiyafuna lamabhodlela adayisaphi. Yabona lento ethi umona esinayo eminyangeni, it will kill us because it grows us like worms in our stomachs. Hamba inkampani ekuthiwa uDulgent Services in Westmead Pinetown. Dulgent Services, it is in Westmead Pinetown. Bala Dulgen Space Services, Westmead Pinetown. Uyothenga lamabhodlela lawa. Uyothenga lamabhodlela lawa. Phela ilonto ufamba uthenga lamabhodlela lawa. Upackage wezinto esile. Njengamanje mina ngikhipha untombe kayibhinci. Untombe kayibhinci pho manje i-1500. Period. Let's see ukuthi sisikhulisa into yethu. Then if sikhula kanjalo we can able to leave a legacy. Ayikho legacy yesigodlo. Isigodlo is like a tech shop edayisa ama-fried nama-wings esigodlo. Si weak isigodlo. Awuwazi ukuthi transfer komunye umuntu, but your product it is strong. You can sell it to somebody else. You can sell it to somebody else. Bakithi ake sikhulume neqiniso. Don't you see 2025, 2024, 2023 kunabantu okade babiza abangani bakho awukwazi ukuphila phandle kwabaveze, and 2026 basengabangani bakho and nezinto obuzenza 2026 and ikade wena 2026 2020 2025 20 ubuworshipa into zokugqoka. Kunabantu abaworshipa amafoni, awu understand. Abantu bathenge iPhone 17 abazi bazoyenzana. Abazi bazoyenzana, believe me abazi. Ayinayo airtime kumanje. Lo phone ayinayo airtime. It is very expensive, more than 30,000 rand. Ayibona imali 35,000. Yabo lento le mekuyi iPhone ibiza le mali. Mekuyi le phone le ibiza le mali. Labantu bathenge bathathe le mali le bathenga le phone. Le phone ayinayo airtime. Kodwa ithengwe ngale mali. Umuntu ophethe iPhone manje ukuthi mina anginiki imali engakho wafa le mali akanayo. Kunezinto ofuna uzibone ezikuhlophekisayo. Okufuza ukuthi kulonyaka ngabe usuyishintshile. Start to worship something else, not into okugqoka. Yabona izidwedwe lezi. Zidwedwe lezi with different design and ink. Kuphela ayikho into ebizayo lana. Lento ungayigqoka kabe